Hola chicos. Okay, perfect. You've just arrived to the Barcelona airport and you want to know, how can I get to Camino using the Aerobús? Today we're going to show you. Let's go. Okay, perfect. So you've walked ahead a little bit, and if you look over here, you can see the Aerobús symbols are everywhere. So we're going to go this way. So as soon as you get down the escalators, you've got right in front of you the counter to buy the Aerobús tickets. So now we're here, we can either pay cash or we can pay with our card. I'm going to pay in cash today. Now we need to just get the one-way ticket because we're going to be in Barcelona for a long time. So one way, two, let's go, buy. And see here, you can have 3 different options. We're going to select cash. Now down here, put it in, printing our ticket. Okay, great, we have our 2 tickets. We're going to wait in the line over here, they're going to scan it, and we're going to be on the bus. Now it doesn't matter which bus because they're all going to the same 3 stops. Para yo y mi compañero. And guys, if the ticket machines don't work for some reason, don't worry. You can buy them right here as well. Okay, so we're on the bus. He's already scanned our tickets and it's only about 25 minutes until we're in the city centre. If you need to charge your phone, remember, on the seat, we've got the USB. Okay, here we are, perfect. So we just got off the bus. What we're going to do to get to Camino, we're going to walk straight a little bit and we're going to take the first left. Okay, we are crossing Gran Via. To know that you're in the right direction, you just got to look. If you see the metro sign, you know you're heading in the right direction towards Camino. Okay, so today we're taking you straight to the school from the Aerobús stop. However, if you are staying in the Camino Residence on-site apartments, you just look across the road, that is the main door there. So all you got to do, still walk towards the school, but however, you're going to cross and you're just going to see it on your right. Okay, so you kept walking straight, you've crossed another road and you're on Diputación. All you got to do is keep walking ahead. Okay, and that's it. It's easy as that, to get from the airport using the Aerobús to Camino Barcelona. Till next time.